Hi, it's Dave from Latin Revolution Dance Academy, and today we're going to show you your very first shine, and it's called the Susie Q. A Susie Q is basically 3 steps for your first side and 3 steps for your second side. So when we do our basic mambo, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, Susie Q, Susie Q, Susie Q, Susie Q. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let me show it from the other side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Now, let's look and break it down for you. When we do our first basic, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, we step. This is only the feet. Step, step, step. Bring your foot over. Step, step, step. Step, 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 step. Now, what you want to do is to continue with counterbalance, is you want to shift your left shoulder back as you step with your left. As we step, pull the shoulder back. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Left shoulder, right shoulder, left. Right shoulder, right. Left, right, left, right, left, right. And you notice my feet are doing the same thing. I'm on the balls of my feet when I'm doing my Susie Q. I'm stepping every time when I do this. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. Now let me show you the other side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Susie Q. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Ladies, when you're doing the Susie Q, in the beginning we're starting with our left foot forward. That's men's timing. But I also want to show ladies' timing. This is what we do. Ladies always start with the right foot. Because ladies are always right. Right? Okay, so right foot back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now I want you to take your first 3 steps again. 1, 2, 3. Now start your Susie Q. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. When you're done, you step back on the 1. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Let me show it in reverse. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Susie Q. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we're looking forward to see you in the next video.